Welcome back, everybody, and yes, we're off again to another adventure. And this welcome back actually reminds me of one of the smallest but yet biggest fan we have is Jaden from Port St. Lucie, Florida.
Welcome back to another Fresco channel.
Thank you so much, Jaden, for sending me the video and watching the channel. Glad you enjoy them and they make you happy, because as a parent, you work towards making your kids happy at the end of the day. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, today is a boys' day out. Olguita and Gabby are out to the stores shopping, and you know how that goes. Women's at the store shopping is like a never-ending story. Us boys, we're off to my friend's house, Sean, because he made a special lunch called shepherd's pie. I never had it, so we're gonna go over and check it out. And you guys are coming along for the ride. So we're back here again at the dream house. If I win the lotto, I'm gonna make a house just like this. You too?
Me too. Show the alligators. We got alligators down here.
You got alligators? Oh.
The glass. There they go. Scoot over, scoot over.
Where's the alligator?
But it's koi fish.
Well, how deep is it?
That's like 6 feet.
Wow, that thing is deep. I thought it was my glasses that made it look deep. We're back again.
Oh snap.
You know that's rolling, boy. You know that's rolling.
What's up, brother? I've seen you in a while, man.
What's up, dude? Good? Ow! How you doing, Joe?
Good.
So, sub player?
Yeah.
Got that on the count. There you go. What's up, buddy?
Boy.
So, Mike? Wanda?
Aquí.
Aquí, chili. Chili. Check it out.
This is Sean Wagner's shepherd pie.
Ooh. Shepherd pie. What's an Irish thing?
An Irish thing.
Oh, you about green cups?
How about green plates? Let me see that thing.
Oh my, that was a weak break.
That was weak.
For real. But you gotta eat some more.
That's on you. You wired me the money. I'm
Man, you said to them, you gonna lose.
Yeah, right there.
And I'm gonna do it left-handed.
Look.
Break it.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna win.
Exactly.
Like that.
It's A-ball.
What's up, Ava?
He said when he got there, he walked up to the guy because he had the little CBD thing.
No way.
You're gonna lose,
No
boy.
way.
It was empty though.
That's what I'm saying.
My friend
Gotta go.
did this, I had this imagine. But I want to know.
That's gonna be
When I
annoying.
come back in, the guy goes,
To your stripes.
declared, it has to be for medical reasons.
Oh,
The worst hit ever.
Whatever.
And you set him up perfect. He set you up perfect.
man, you're done, bro. I could have hit him up.
That wasn't a No, that side. Look at that side.
It seems like there might be an opportunity, but
And you got that side.
Don't worry about that. That's coming, bro. He already won.
no, I feel exactly what you're saying.
They beat me.
Shipping, everything, all that shit, that's on you, bro.
Let's go. What do you mean?
go, guys. If I win the lotto, this is what I'm making. Now I can give you guys a complete show for the house, because last time it was quick and in a hurry. All right, so we got the slide there, we got the jacuzzi, we got the pool area. So remember, guys, when I become really famous or I win the lotto, this is what I'm gonna build. And he also has a guest house back here that we won't go in there. We just want to go admire this part. And then we got the little bridge. How bad is that? A pool with a bridge. Oh, and I guess it's pretty cool here. Okay, now here we go. This is the jacuzzi slash bar hangout area right here. There you go. Look at that view, guys. Imagine that. I think if I had this, I won't need to go to the sandbar, right? Nah, you always gotta go to the sandbar. But it's pretty cool right here. Then you got another walkway here, a little cave, and then we'll go upstairs. And then this is the slide. You can slide into the pool. Oh, I didn't notice this. And there's another hangout spot up here. It's pretty cool. And I guess if you're brave enough, oh yeah, he turns it on, and this becomes a waterfall. So there you go. If you guys like outside living, you can get some ideas from this house, because this house is great. Beautiful. Let's go check out something else. Oh, almost fell down there. And I used to love, well, I still do. I love playing volleyball. So here's another place I like about this house that I would do to my house, right here. You believe that? A volleyball court. A volleyball court that we're gonna play later on, hopefully, if we get more people. And they got a little basketball court over there. So this is really nice. So I'm playing the lotto. I'm playing. He got a big chicken. No, it's a rooster. I wonder what that means. So, yep. This is, I guess, paradise at home. Very nice. So we just hanging out here today, chilling. What? He got a pet alligator. I don't know if you guys can see it. See that big alligator he got here? It's not really an alligator. I don't know what that is. I don't know what type of lizard that is. It's a big lizard. We're gonna play some volleyball. Now, this brings back great memories. When I was a teenager and I finished, graduated from high school, I used to have a part-time job at a shopping center from 8 o'clock in the morning to 12 o'clock. And then from there, I had the rest of the day off. So what I used to do is I used to pick up my brother and go hang out at the beach, either at Waikiki or Newport Beach. And there used to be a volleyball court there, and we used to play there. So doing this with my kids, it brought back good memories, and it made new ones. Bro, you know how to surf?
Yeah. Tell us in the comments below how much lines does this need.
Alright.
What'd you say?
I like that.
What'd you say?
I like
I
that.
said tell us in the comments below how much lines does this need.
Oh. That was good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh my God, and I looked at it too.
Dada.
Yes, sir. No.
Oh, come on, man. All right, how much? Yeah, you're served now.
Alright.
Wait, we're playing that for real?
We got
Wait, don't.
Yes.
Oh
5-3. Wiggly.
I tried to hit it with one
my god.
hand.
Come on, bro.
We'll do it again.
I got it.
Got it.
I got it.
That's out. So we lost because of him. We lost because of him.
That's an MVP right here. MVP.
He was making sandcastles. He was making sandcastles in the volleyball court.
Well, after a great day here playing around volleyball and pool at Sean's house, yep, it's about that time. It's time to go home.
After we got beat at volleyball.
Volleyball. Woo!